Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today. I'm going to be swatching some of my new ink pads that I've got from Lisa Horton Crafts. They're the Interference inks, and if you know or have heard of this product, this side of the cover is what shows up on white, and this is the color that ends up showing up on the black side. So I've gotten me a swatch that has black and white. I've labeled what colors go where, and I'm just gonna run it across a few times to get my swatch. So the first one I have is this crushed velvet, and so it's supposed to be purple on the white and like this yellow gold on the black. And this is what the pad looks like, so kind of purple-ish, but you can see a little shimmer to it, and that's what it is, a crushed velvet shimmer. So you see, it's still wet, but you can see the gold on the outside of the pigment, and then the purple on the white side. Okay, so now I'll do the sapphire gold, which is this one here. I might have to redo this lemon candy down here because I didn't leave enough space. So I'll leave the lemon candy on the side for now. We'll do the ripe mango. Ooh, they're very juicy pads. And then the pumpkin spice. Oh, that one's cool. And then the tropical paradise. And the last one is the royal truffle that I have labeled. And then I'll do the lemon candy down here. So those are my swatches. Let me redo this one. So this was sapphire gold. And this was lemon candy. And there's my swatches. So the crushed velvet, sapphire gold, ripe mango, pumpkin spice, tropical paradise, royal truffle, and the lemon candy. Love it. Look at those inks. So pretty cool, right? So those are my newest inks that I got from Lisa Horton. I just needed to swatch those up. So I am missing a green here on this side, so that will be the next pad that I get. I am thinking anyway. But hope you found this interesting and helpful. Maybe this is a new product to you. Check it out. But for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.